Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Sorry, welcome to the vlog. I am pumping these out as soon as possible, yeah, because Jelly, don't come out of the room. Grandma! Grandma!
I saw the signs and it came easy. You took your time like you never wanted to speak your mind. Would you believe me? It's alright, keep on fighting for your soul. Talking about control, say you're wanting more, show me something. Don't just talk about it. If you're scared of letting go when you know, let me show you. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive. Scoot on over, let me drive.
So I was just thinking a while ago, just with how much I've been open with you guys, and I really like how people say their superpower is their whatever. Like, I feel like you guys are like my superpower, because it's just your support. I'm just watching these other vlogs because I watch other vloggers to get like inspiration, and I don't know if it's obvious, but I watch eclectic vlogs. I watch vlogs that you will never expect me to watch because I want to edit a certain way. I want to have more of a cinematic view. You see me? I want my vlogs to represent me, they're authentic and whatever, but it's also like real life. Real life, so oh yeah, I need to get Jelly's iPad fixed. Mommy told me that there is an Apple place in a pavilion, so I'm gonna get his iPad fixed, and then I need to get my phone fixed. If it can be fixed, I don't know. And then I need to see how I can get more memory onto my laptop, because whenever I put as I showed you guys, my file, it fills up really quickly. It seems like as the coins to the 400 odd gigabyte use up on my laptop. So yeah, so with that being said, I'm genuinely grateful for you. I know I don't feel that much of an anxiety with Pomi. I don't feel that bad. I'm like, yeah, they're gonna pull through, and I know even if you guys aren't going to purchase, I know you guys are going to post and repost and be like, yo, buy lyrics something to get P, and I'm just like, alright, I see y'all. Open up price. One part of iPad now work, then me can hook it on to no internet, like to no Wi-Fi.
Why are you talking about Jelly iPad when you said I can't talk about my games?
Right, so I need to get this fixed, I need to get my phone fixed, and I need to, I don't know how I can increase the memory on here. I don't know if this is a video that you'll be interested in, but I'm finna like run out of my Final Cut Pro thing. I'm going to show you guys. So I have the trial, as you can see, the trial. So it says it will expire in 9 days, right? So if you want me to show you, you want all of them? So oh, it's open already, so you have to press something else. So you can open this or this. Okay, let me see. Wait, okay, wait. Mine is spending money. I asked Jonathan to help you. Mine is spending money. Oh my god. Right, so if you want me to show you guys a video on how you can have this for another 90 days, thumbs this, I don't know, because it's a vlog, comment, and then I'll go by the comments. I don't know if you guys use Final Cut Pro, but I use Final Cut Pro. So yeah,
I want to be in a video.
You are in my video. You are. You're kicking my name face. Jonathan, you shoot him on him foot and you kick him in his face.
I was trying to move. I'm getting in the living room.
Come here, why are you getting annoyed? Stop. Jonathan. Alrighty, so I'm actually going to be soaking off my nails because I have nails going underneath. And I don't think I've ever seen my nails this long. So, and then I'll be doing a fresh set. But I do have that thing where the nail separates from the nail bed. I'm going to look it up and then if you guys know what it is. So I'm going to, and I really don't want to soak these off, but I want to soak these off so that my nails can breathe underneath. I want to fix up my cuticles and I just have my nails breathe for like a week because I'm booking an appointment next week. But then I should probably wait for Cassie to tell me whether or not she'll be able to do it. But if she won't be able to do that, I'll just rock my natural nails. Okay, so this is what has been happening. Okay, I'm moving it and see. Yes? No, put it up there, sir. Right, so this is how I've been living my life now, right? Oh, by the way, I should mention this before I cut these off. So Cassie had actually done these nails, right? And she did them short, and then she extended the nails. So that's why they look like this underneath. Huh? To the bad guy? Yeah. No, we're not going to give the money to the bad guy. Go put it back where you see it. Yeah. Okay, well, yeah. Oh, and I've completely broken up. Yeah? Rotted. How far you reach? I not even didn't remember about it. Mommy, I go price mad. I hope she can use my card. Because it's a membership place, so I can't go in there without using your card. What kind of business they do? Can some money pan some, if some bag of money for one paper, them says for the bad man. That's the kind of business they do in Loch Jalil. Dash it with Jalil.
Mommy, did you ask Grandma what kind of paper she started doing?
No, I didn't. Right, so she extended them. So this is what they look like underneath. So she extended them. I just had to make mention because Cassie is it, okay? She's it. Her talent is.
She said she was doing sign language.
Oh, okay. So this is my life now that I live, right? So I have something planned to do and it don't happen. I don't make it stress me. Yes, Papa?
Why your laptop is on the bed running?
I'm coming, Jonathan. I'm trying to, in much things I'm trying to do. I'm coming. And I don't like when you have that tone with me like you're annoyed. Don't do that. I'm really busy. Right. So I am going to be soaking these off. And right. So my new mindset, right? So this came to me when I made that video. Sugar Daddy. About how my nails were. About wearing what name again? Like head wrap and wigs, right? So I was like, are you going to pay like $2 grand for a wig or like $3 for a scarf and rock some scarves? And I was like, whoa, that's because during that point, I think I said it in the video, like I had something to do and I was waiting on a company that said that they want to work with me. It's been over 2 months, so you know I'm not gonna reach back out because when companies do that and we're speaking via WhatsApp and I was like, yeah, hey, this is happening, and I wouldn't get a response for days, and then she'd be like, I'm really busy. I'm like, alright, then cool, I get it. I really understand being busy, and the last thing I want to do is constantly message you when you reached out to me, and I don't know that, but that's just where I am. I don't focus on it. Like I'm not dependent on it. Like if I don't get the wigs, that my whole thing is screwed. And no, it's just I was holding off on reaching out to other companies. Me?
Yeah, you.
Okay. Okay.
What now?
What I must do?
Time.
Jonathan?
Yeah?
Why you outside?
Outside.
But you never asked me if you could have go outside. Jonathan, but I was still doing something when they asked about the laptop.
What laptop?
When they tell me, say, why me from okay, so you're talking about it, but you couldn't talking about to go outside. So my simple as going outside. Jonathan, but you disturbed me to ask him about the laptop. I never asked him for go outside. cannot do that. Jonathan, and if I'm knee deep in a video, you have to say, Mommy, can I go outside for something? Let me sit here say, Jonathan, don't bother. Or not now.
That's bleeding. I don't bother pee.
Make me not let them stop there, Jonathan. My African can keep you safe if I don't know when you go outside.
I just wanna talk for a minute. I just wanna talk to you, baby. Oh, what have I been doing for all my life? What have I been doing for all my life? I will rock with you, yeah, for all my life. What have I been doing for all my life?
I think we should kiss. I really think we should kiss.
Yeah,
Listen, I think we should kiss. I think we should. You're not listening. I really think we should kiss. Oh, you need help to blow it up? Let me help you. Let me help you.
You finished?
Blow some skirt. I mean, I do know how to blow. Blow.
Again, I'm going to
Go. Loser! Loser.
stop.
Loser, you're gonna lose!
Mommy!
Sorry, go on. That was one breath? That was good for one breath. Oh my god. Jolly, man, your head, man, your brain. Stop, man, your nose. Relax. You need help? Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa, that's good. That one breath.
The way that you leave me, keep me in your headspace. No, and creeping in the night, keeping me in the back lane. Hate it when you leave, when you're taking my time. Leave me alone for the rest of the night. Some things they have the upper hand on my mind, running me around thinking that you're mine. Always put me down while you have a finger pointing at me. Always put me down while you have a finger pointing at me. Why you right to me? I don't know why you're lying. Why you right to me? Why you right to me? I don't know why you're lying. Why you right to me? Why you right to me? I don't know why you're lying to me. Why you gotta play me? I probably want the same thing. And tell me why you faking, cause ain't nobody making you be. You want my body, but not my mind. So used to this face shade all of the time. Wish you could see that it's hard to find. Understand how it feels just one time. Always put me down while you have a finger pointing at me. Always put me down while you have a finger pointing at me.
It's like, in denial, I've been lost in my ways. Like, all the thoughts, let them get to my brain. Look, heart rate change when I speak on my pain. First kiss was on bikes, we was lost in the rain. Stole from family members, I was feeling ashamed. Ayy, started living life like I had nothing to gain. Phone snatchers, fuck it, might go hop on the train. Counting all my blessings off the words, now we getting on planes. From remind me about the funny shit I say, but ain't got the memory, I smoked it all away. Ayy, 346, still got hood with the stain. Ayy, mostly try to record, then hit hood for the day. Ayy, might hit bro, said he feeling the same. Reminds me of the patience, said it's part of the game. Scrolling through my timeline, forgot I'm writing this song. Just might put my pen down, cause I'm writing this long. Yeah, speaking from my chest, whether right or it's wrong. Still Cheech and Chong on me like, boom. In denial, I've been lost in my way.